Today we're going to be putting this dimmer switch in. Nathan Cox here, thanks for joining us around the home. Okay, I've got a little dimmer switch here from Lutron. Okay, I don't really know that it has a name, it just says a CL dimmer. It works with the dimmable CFLs, the dimmable LEDs, and your old-fashioned incandescents. This one here looks like a regular toggle light switch type thing, but it's got the little slider on the side, see? So it kind of is good. Now I prefer their digital dimmer switch, the Maestro, which I just did an install video for that. If you're checking that out, top right of your screen, you'll see it pop up there if you want to see that one. But the reason we're going to use this one is because I've already got, a triple set of light switches here. I don't need dimmers in all of them. Just want one on the kitchen. Plus, this will be interesting because we got a three-way switch installed here, and this switch here, like the Maestro, is available to do the regular single pole or the three-way. So we're going to do the three-way install for this one here. Okay, so I've already got the cover plate off. I've got the switch unscrewed and pulled out a little bit here, okay? Now the big thing with three-way switches is that common wire. They call it the common. Most of the time on a switch, like this new one here, so we've got the regular brass, then we have regular brass, and then we have a copper, okay? Generally the common wire is attached to a screw. It's a different color. On this one here, it happens to be kind of like, I think they just painted it black. I've seen a couple other colors and stuff like that too, okay? So you really got to pay attention to that one and don't lose it, okay? I'm not an expert on three-way wiring. I don't have I'm sure there are people that have videos on how to do three-way wiring, but there's more than one way to do it, okay? So if you mess this up, it's going to take a while to figure out how to fix it, simply put. So don't lose that wire. Keep all the wires in the same place, okay? Now this is interesting because the Maestro switch is different than this. The two screws on the right are your regular screws if you just do the single pole, and then the common is over here on the other side. But this one here is opposite, and it threw me off the first time I installed it. So I wasn't even paying attention that that was copper. I just put the two wires on there. I'm like, what's going on? Why isn't this working right? Okay, so if you're installing a three-way for the Maestro, it's basically the same as this installation video, but just remember the common is on the other side for that switch. Okay, now it doesn't hurt to turn the power off here, especially if you're not used to electricity and working with it. But I'm trying to keep my lights here for the camera. Okay, let's just go ahead and mark that common wire with some tape here before we go any further. Okay, done. Okay, now this switch here has an up arrow, okay, slider should be on the right. Alright, so our common prong here is going to be on the bottom right for the common wire. Ground over here. Alright, oh, and these tabs, I knew I was forgetting something. Let's go ahead and take these off. When you're next to other big, if you're next to just a regular switch, you wouldn't have to take these off. Or if you're putting this in a single box, these just break off. I think they help, keep the airflow, the cold air, especially on outside walls, coming through the box. But when you're next to other switches or outlets, you just break those off. And I'll be honest with this part, I'm not sure that this makes a difference, but since this black wire here was on top of the common wire on the other switch, it's where I'm going to stick it on this one. But there is a little adjustment to make on this one here. See this little thing right here with plus and minus, little slider. Slide that way, slide that way. You're probably like, what the heck is that? Okay, now this is mostly designed for your dimmable LEDs and CFLs, okay? Because their power output is so small compared to incandescents. So what you need to do is turn the lights on and then have it at the smallest, the lowest dimmer setting right there. And let's take a look at our lights. You can see the one in the back is kind of barely on, and the other two aren't on at all. So now we have to add, push it towards the positive, towards the right. What you want to do is you want to have them on and not flickering. And they're still a funny color. Okay, let's forget about the funny color. Let's just get them so they're on and not flickering. Alright, so then that's the lowest dim setting. And then there's the brightest. So one of the back's a little odd. But anyway, that's how you make that adjustment. Okay, now that wraps up the install for this dimmer switch, okay? So I hope that this 3-way dimmer switch install video really helped you guys out. It's always a good thing to go around to your other 3-way switches for that light fixture and try them out, make sure they work properly. Turn them on and off, turn one on, go to the other one, turn that one off, and then turn that one on, you know, etc., etc. If one of the switches isn't turning it on or off, then we could probably get a wire that's in the correct position over here. I hope that's not the case for you guys. I hope this install was super smooth and super easy. Again, there will be Amazon links in the description down below, not only for this dimmer switch, but for the digital dimmer switch, the Maestro. Both of them awesome dimmer switches. Now you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get either one of these in like the typical white or light almond. But if you use Amazon links, not only are you supporting a small local business, but, yeah, shameless plug, right? But they're available in like a dozen different colors, okay? Whoa, right? Now that's the amazing part. Anyways, let's wrap this video up. Please subscribe to the channel, always helps out. Click the notifications bell. Look on my website, check it out. Hundreds of my videos there, organized really well, so you can actually find all the different videos and different subjects. Okay, plus I have some additional videos over here you guys to watch, including the install video for that Maestro digital dimmer. Guys, thanks again.